Alrighty, this is the elevator at Dillard's, Independence Center, Independence, Missouri. It's nice. I am not sure what this is, what model this is. One. Here we are at 1. You coming up or? Okay. 3. There's no door close button on here. This is a nice atrium, too. Alright, we will go down and get a cab view. Those doors close real closely, or slowly, rather. It's a very nice elevator. I wasn't expecting it to be Scenic. Here's your fixtures. Indicator. Coming up? Which floor?
One.
Oh, we're going. Oh, up or? I thought you were going. I thought I was down at 1. You guys have a good day. 3. Here we are at 3. 1. You will end up on 2. Yes.
Yeah.
I'm a YouTuber.
Okay. Okay.
That's why I'm filming the elevator. I have a passion. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers do it on YouTube. And my YouTube channel name, if you want to look me up, is Vulpix4025. Vulpix space 4025.
Okay, I was wondering. I was like, are you okay? I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah, it's all good.
Okay.
I'm just really sweaty.
Oh.
You have a good day.
You too.
2. We will look out the window going up. There's the store down there. Here's the second floor. Hi there.
Hi.
There it goes. And that's it.